Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Eyes on the FANG, where we are going into Apple, Amazon, Facebook, Microsoft, Netflix, Google, the biggest US tech company names, looking for how the action is, trying to build a trading plan, and we have some hot names there on the watch list. So let's move forward quickly into the charts, starting with the big one, and the first one is Apple. Apple that in the last couple of sessions had a big strong move all the way into new all-time highs. It was an insane, crazy move all the way into 515, hitting new all-time highs. Now what? Now, I told you yesterday, after such a strong move, I'm looking for other names. I'm not playing my money here, placing my money here on Apple, waiting for some consolidation before triggering a next trade. Remain on watch, and it remains bullish while above $480, but I'm expecting here some consolidation before triggering the next move. So keeps the bull case pretty much intact, but I believe the easy part of the trade already gone. We have 515 as the your all-time highs and the next big level. What we need? Bull case needs above 515 to resume the trend up. Bear case needs below the 8-day moving average. The 8-day moving average is way below $480, but first we need to close below, we need to go below yesterday low. So we have a short-term support 492, that's your first support, and we have 515 your resistance. We keep the bull case pretty much intact while we are above first 492, and the second target $480 is the next support. So I will give some time for the stock to rebuild once again, looking for possible other trades, and stay tuned for the next couple of sessions that we are going into Apple to see if we can have some trade there. Looking for Amazon, pretty much bullish, and looking for a possible resuming to new all-time highs. On the Monday, we looked for an attempt to break all the way into 3400 plus, but bear strike right after the initial spike on Monday, spike up and push price back into the 8-day moving average. Yesterday, on Tuesday, bulls defended the 8-day moving average. So on the short term, bulls are active, are defending the short-term moving average, the 8-day moving average. So it's very difficult to have a bear case scenario while we are above the 8-day moving average. So what I'll be looking next? I'll be looking bull case scenario for a possible resuming to 3400 plus, and above that blue sky ahead with no real resistance. Bear case, I will be looking for a short if we break below 32.74. Okay, 32.74, that's the 8-day moving average, breaks below, looking for a retest and the 21-day moving average, and also to fill the gap that we have here with the 21-day moving average at 31.92. Those are my support lines, but trying to keep the bull case intact and a possible move above 3400. Facebook, what a big move yesterday. We have been seeing on Monday bullish options activity. I told at the trading app they were defending and putting some contracts on the calls 270 strike and calls 275. And what a big move. New all-time highs yesterday, 283, keeping the bull case pretty much intact. I had the line in descent at 268. I said that I would only be looking for a short below 268. Didn't happen. Opened at 272 with the low at $270 and resumed back up 283. Now what? Now if you are long, keep raising your stops, trim 1/3 of the position after the market open, and keep riding the moment. Lots of bullish options activity there. Not going to put a target, but above 283 we can go all the way into $300 until the end of the year. There is lots of bullish options position on this name, and yesterday was day one. We have a bull cross here on the oscillator. Let's look for possible continuation above 283, and but once again, risk management is the key. After the market open, trim 1/3 of the position, raise the stops on the rest, and keep riding the momentum while it lasts. It's the safest. Microsoft also yesterday start to break out above 215 and above my resistance line. I will be looking for new all-time highs above 217.6. First target $220. So keeping the bull case, as I told you, above $210. I keep the bull case pretty much intact, and the stock is resuming back up. So right now I move my support for 212.8, staying long above versus the 212.8 support line. That's the stop at the 8-day moving average. Looking for new all-time highs also on Microsoft. Netflix keeps coiling, tight range, $20 range, below $500 and above for 180. What I'll be looking in next couple of sessions for something like we saw in the past. In the past we saw some consolidation above the 50-day moving average and resume back up, printing higher highs. So what I'll be looking is a possible break above $500 and make higher highs above 510. That's the target. So keeping on watch. When momentum comes here, buyers have been out of this name. It seems that the stock is consolidating here, accumulation on a $20 range, and looking for bullish options activity that triggers the move above $500 and going all above 510. So keep it on your watch also. Looking for Google, new all-time highs, 1608, and it's keeping the bull the bull case pretty much intact. Yesterday, once again, bullish options activity, playing for more upside here on Google. Not trying to pick tops. Keep riding the momentum while it lasts. The oscillator is start entering the overbought conditions. So if you are holding longs here, trim 1/3 of the position, raise the stops on the rest, and your line in the sand and the support stop can be 1564. That's the 8-day moving average, and that's my support line. Breaks below, looking for 1534 and 1500 as 50-day moving average. But for now, what is my suggestion? Trim 1/3 of the position after the market open, raise the stops on the rest, and be careful because the oscillator is entering overbought conditions. So from one minute to the other, we can have a reversal sell here and a pullback with profit taking. So a summary, where do we stand? The FANG names are very bullish. Yesterday, Facebook triggered a big breakout on bullish options activity, pushing to new all-time highs. Apple is consolidating no man land right now, so staying out of Apple. Amazon looking for a move into 3400, so keep it on your watch. Microsoft also looking for a move above 217, bullish while above 212. That's my stop, 212, and looking for new all-time highs. And Netflix waiting for the momentum right now for $90, looking for some momentum bullish options activity to break above $500. Breaks above $500, expecting a move above $510, the last highs, to start printing higher highs, higher lows. Google, it's breaking out new all-time highs, start entering the overbought conditions, so suggest that you trim profits on the way, raise your stops, and keep riding while the momentum lasts. So that's all for today on the FANG names. Stay tuned for the next episode, and thanks for watching, everyone. Bye bye.